So we're touring my fridge and my freezer. As you can tell though, if you've seen my other videos like this, they're bigger. Yes, I moved. I have a bigger freezer and a bigger refrigerator now. So, let's get started. The top of my refrigerator, we have some reverse osmosis water. This is a 3-gallon container, by the way. I have some organic unsweetened soy milk. Filtered water, whole organic soybean. I have another one here, different store. Same thing, water, whole organic soybeans. Behind that, I have organic tomato basil marinara. I use this on a pizza. I use this on pasta. It's got the lovely little V for vegan stamp there. And check the ingredients. Everything's vegan. There's no sugar. I like this one. Non-GMO'd. Good stuff. Behind that, I've got some applesauce. Just apples in it. And then to the side, I love this juice. Where did this come from? Trader Joe's? Yes, this is a Trader Joe's juice. It's called the Power of 7. It has in it, let's get the ingredients. Organic, I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'm going to read it. Organic pomegranate juice, organic tart cherry juice, organic black mulberry juice, organic red grape juice, organic purple carrot juice, organic cranberry juice, organic blueberry juice. There really are a lot of ways to get purple and blue foods. And so yeah, it's so sweet and delicious and really wonderful stuff in there. So I love it. There's a box of dates. Chicken style seitan for my boyfriend and my cat. We have 2 things of orange juice. Filtered orange juice concentrate. Nope, filtered water, concentrated orange juice. There we go. In the back here, this is a young Thai coconut. They are absolutely, what is the word for them? They're so wonderful. You just can't describe them. They're so wonderful. Love them. You get them open and let's see, I will show you what we have here. Usually I buy them before this is done to them. Okay, and you can just look this up on a YouTube video how to get these things open, but that white stuff on top that you see, that's coconut meat, and that has a number of useful purposes. I'm going to actually throw it into a pie crust. But the main reason for buying these, for me anyway, is the juice inside. It's just so wonderful. Alright. There are some shredded carrots here in the back. And we have 2 containers of So Delicious dairy-free cultured coconut milk. It's coconut yogurt. Vegan coconut yogurt made with coconut milk. And this flavor is vanilla. They have little cups. In some locations they have these bigger cups. This is 16 ounces. There we go. So, there's some fiddleheads. We have 12 ounces of blackberries. So delicious. I just had some. Also, some mini heirloom tomatoes. These are really cool. They're all different colored here. We have green ones, yellow ones, a couple different shades of green. It's actually like a green and orange in here. Orange, red. So really colorful, really beautiful, and they're tasty. Broccoli, organic broccoli. Scallions. Or green onions. same thing. I really love these. They're inexpensive, and they flavor some things up so well. They're just wonderful in beans and rice, baked potato. Oh, so good. Lots of things, really. In here, in the sandwich thing, hopefully I'll be able to shut it once I get it open, we have, vegan pizza that I made last night. Actually, I made half of it with a pesto and half of it with the tomato sauce, and it came out really well. This is mozzarella dia shreds and broccoli, sunflower seeds, scallions. I put tomatoes on mine. This is for the boyfriend. He doesn't like tomatoes in that state, so there you have it. Alright. Also for the boyfriend, we have vegan sesame noodles. It's a macrobiotic pre-made pasta dish here. It's got all kinds of stuff in it. Organic durum wheat, organic tofu, sesame paste, carrots, sesame seeds, black sesame seeds, sunflower oil, apple cider vinegar, parsley, scallions, garlic, sea salt, organic shoyu, organic wheat, alcohol as a natural preservative, it says, and spices. So I personally, organic durum wheat. It's not whole wheat, so not the healthiest thing in the world, but non-GMO, vegan. It's edible for some of us. Spring mix with herbs, organic. So I've got a box of salad here, 5 ounces. So if you don't have a lot of time or something, you want something that you just put in the microwave. I've had a number of them, not that one specifically, but some of them I find really good, tasty, filling. So that might suit you someday. And they have them at Whole Foods, they have them at some co-ops, even in some regular grocery stores now. Here I have a great big aloe leaf, or branch. I think it's a leaf. Aloe vera. So I'm going to chop this, and I'm going to put it in my blender with some water and some juice, some lemon maybe sometime. I'm going to make drinks. I have a video on doing this, how to hydrate yourself after exercise. That's what that is for. Here we have a zucchini. That's about done. Really should find a way to use this today. And we have a cucumber and cantaloupe. On the door, some yeast, some quick yeast. Now that I have an oven, I've been wanting to cook a little bit, so it's probably not liking this light. I don't know. It'll be okay. Garlic, which I used another one of those in the pesto and pizza last night. Got flaxseed meal, balsamic vinaigrette, Frank's Red Hot, original, flax oil, 100% lemon. Really do love to have these on hand. 10 fluid ounce, and it's just organic lemon juice, nothing else. Love these. Apple cider vinegar. Down here, there's a lime, just like the lemon. 10 ounce, organic, just lime, and nothing else. And there's some vegan yeast. I personally don't eat this, simply because it tastes so incredibly identical to mayonnaise to me, and I never liked mayonnaise. So if you like mayonnaise, or did like mayonnaise. There's Veganese. And there are other brands as well. Okay, up here, there's some mustard, some Dijon mustard. And the rest of the stuff really isn't food. You don't need to see. Hemp seeds. That's about it. We've got an ice pack. Going up to the freezer now. Not so much light in here. Okay. Got frozen pineapple tidbits. Frozen raspberries. Here in this container, can't really see well, is some chopped up knotweed that I harvested. And this is interchangeable with rhubarb from what I've heard. So, planning to make a raspberry knotweed crumble. I have some ice cube trays filled with reverse osmosis water and little edible flowers. Sorry about the noise here. I'm gonna have to do this off camera. If you're interested in edible flowers, I have a blog post on that you can check out. Just go to my blog and in the search bar, type edible flowers. Some more raspberries over here, left over from last week. Some frozen violets. Been doing some foraging. And it's very important when you're doing foraging to, not just go out there and do it, but to learn about the area you live in and what you need to, learn before you go and do it. It's very important not to be an irresponsible wildcrafter, both for the environment as well as yourself. There's things that are poisonous that look like things that are edible. There's parts of certain plants that are edible and other parts are poisonous. There's things that you really shouldn't dig up because the bees are needing them, or they won't come back the next year, and all of that. So if you're interested in doing foraging, please, take a course, read books, make sure you're properly identifying things and you're learning about the right ways to harvest them and cook them. That's, best for the environment and best for you, all of that stuff. These 3 bags here are some dandelion greens, and I don't know what's in this last jar. Nettle, maybe? Stinging nettle? It looks like stinging nettle, which I did pick and put in my pesto yesterday, so that. And then our last, but not least, little show and tell are these Veggie Burgers. I love Hillary's Veggie Burgers. They're my favorite so far. We have the black rice burger. There's 2 in here. And we have the zucchini bean burger with green chili and cumin. Both varieties, love them. I've tried them before. And these ingredients are just so wonderful. We've got water, organic whole millet, organic zucchini beans, organic whole quinoa, organic expeller pressed coconut oil, organic sweet potato, organic onion, mild green chilies, organic psyllium seed, husk powder, organic arrowroot, Redmond's real salt, organic apple cider vinegar, organic garlic, organic cumin, organic chipotle powder, organic chili powder, organic lime juice, certified non-GMO, certified vegan, certified gluten-free. Just marvelous. I have not seen Veggie Burgers with such impressive ingredients anywhere else. Not quite. And they taste, they're my favorite for taste, and they're my favorite for ingredient. Similar ingredients in this, but different. I mean, they're all high quality, whole, not highly processed. We've got water. Oh, how cute. And it also says it's made with love. Made with love and water, organic zucchini beans, Lotus Foods organic brown jasmine rice, organic millet, organic greens, 2 or more of the following: arugula, beet, chard, collards, dandelion, kale, parsley, spinach, turnip, organic sweet potato, organic expeller pressed coconut oil, Lotus Foods forbidden rice, Red Mont's real salt, organic garlic, organic apple cider vinegar, organic psyllium, husk powder, organic arrowroot, organic cumin, organic lime juice. So when I get veggie burgers every now and again, that is my favorite brand to get, followed by Sunshine. And I guess that concludes the tour of my fridge and my freezer this time around. So thanks for joining me. Please leave your comments below and a thumbs up if you liked the video. Share if you think that's beneficial for someone else or you have the desire to share my video. Thanks again for viewing. Be well.